Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use this clock gun. So basically I have this Avril smooth hex rod clock gun. It's very easy to use and it is used for various process. You might have seen in construction too, but here like even in domestic purpose it's used a lot. So what I have got here is like epoxy Rust-Oleum concrete, not concrete, sorry, asphalt crack filler. So basically for driveway crack filler I'm going to use it. There are some cracks in my driveway that I'm going to fill this up. So I'm going to show you how to use it. It's very simple. Like there are many types of caulk guns, but this one particular I find it very useful. So first of all, you need to make a hole, right? So you see this hole is given over here. You're going to insert. If you look at anything that you purchase, it's going to come up with markings. Okay, like here you see, if you I'm trying to show you, yeah, you see there's numbers, yeah, so that shows the marking where you want to do. So you're going to put it here and then press this, so it's going to make a cut, but that is not fully usable. You have to use this also. You see this one, yeah. After you're done with the cut, you can use this to to puncture a hole from top. Okay, once that is done, then it's ready to use. And the good thing I like about this clock gun is very easy to operate. How I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you. See what I did, I simply pulled it back. It's very simple, and once it is loaded, if you see, when I'm pressing the trigger, it is slowly moving up and it's going back. Loading is pretty simple. See, with single hand I could load it, right? And once it is like a hole is punctured, I can just press it slightly and it's gonna work. So that is why I like it, this particular clock gun a lot. It's just $10 I purchased from Home Depot. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.